Did you know that 65% of people are visual learners? This means that most of us understand and retain information better when it's presented visually. Yet, despite this, many individuals find themselves struggling to create graphics that truly capture attention and convey their message effectively. Tired of spending hours trying to design visuals that look, well, less than professional? You're not alone. Many people face the frustration of investing time and effort into their designs, only to end up with results that don't quite hit the mark. This common struggle can be disheartening, especially when you know how important visuals are in today's digital world. But fear not. AI-powered design tools are here to rescue your social media game and make you look like a pro. These innovative tools are designed to simplify the design process, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their design experience. With AI on your side, creating stunning visuals is no longer a daunting task, but an exciting opportunity to express your creativity. First, try Canva's AI-powered magic design feature. Just describe what you want, and voila, instant custom designs. Canva's intuitive interface and powerful AI capabilities mean you can generate professional quality graphics in just a few clicks. Whether you're designing for a business presentation or a personal project, Canva's magic design feature is your go-to tool for quick and impressive results. Next, explore DALL-E or Mid-Journey for unique AI-generated images that'll make your followers do a double take. These tools harness the power of AI to create one-of-a-kind visuals that stand out in any feed. By simply inputting a few keywords or concepts, you can generate images that are not only visually striking, but also tailored to your specific needs and style. With these AI tools, you'll be creating scroll-stopping visuals in minutes, not hours. Your engagement is about to skyrocket. By leveraging the power of AI, you can transform your social media presence, capturing the attention of your audience and boosting your online interactions. So why wait? Dive into the world of AI-powered design and watch your creativity soar.